Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Ulta Mini Must-Haves. $39.50 that I paid for this, but it's a $160 value. So if you guys want to see if this is truly worth a $160 value, then I would say keep on watching. Alrighty guys, this is the second video I am filming for the day. I just finished doing the Ulta Beauty 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. If you guys want to see what that was all about, watch my last video if you guys missed it. And we're gonna see what this is all about. You guys know, if you follow me on my channel, you guys know that I love fragrances. I think I have now at least well over, like I can't even count. I lost count of how many fragrances I have. I did show my fragrance collection. I will link that down below. Since then, that was a while ago. Since then, I've bought so much more fragrances. So I'm definitely going to have to do another updated fragrance collection for you guys because I've bought so much more since then. But if you're curious to see what I had when I did my filming of my favorites collection, I'll link that down below for you guys to watch. Now, this is cool. Not only do I collect fragrances, I also collect mini fragrances because I just think they're so cute and tiny. Like, Sephora and Ulta also does where you get like the little disposable fragrances that you can use once or twice, but I never get those. I like the little mini baby ones because they're so stinking cute. So I want to say the Sephora one I just recently bought that I posted on my channel. So now I'm going to show you guys the Ulta one. I'll link the Sephora one down below as well if you guys are curious to see what they had for their minis. And without further ado, let's just get into this. Alrighty, so let's see what we got here. It looks like everything came all like wrapped up in, actually not two, three little things here. So let's see what we got. Before I just dig in, I always wanted to just quickly introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. So welcome if you're new. My name is Aisha, hence the name, Aisha Loves Makeup. So obviously I love makeup, that's why I started my channel. I love trying new beauty items. I love trying new fragrances. I love trying anything beauty related, anything beauty content related. I'm gonna try, and that's what's gonna be pretty much the bulk of like my channel. We do makeup subscription unboxings, we do makeup hauls, we do makeup advent calendars, we do makeup mystery unboxings on this channel. So let's just dig in, and if you like what you see today, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, show your girl some love, and as always, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. Alrighty, so what's in here? Is this anything? Alright, so that was a womp womp. There's nothing in there. So I guess my fragrances is all in these two right here. Most of these I used already, so I just wanted to have the cute little bottles. Alrighty, so these are the first four. Oh, how stinking cute. So I do have the Carolina Herrera fragrances. I think I have two of them now. I don't have this one. The one that I have, the heel is like sparkly. So how do you use this? Is this a spray or no? Okay, so it's just like a pour bottle. But guys, how stinking cute. How stinking cute. This is why I love like collecting these minis because, I mean, this alone, like guys, I'm telling you. I think that's why I like her fragrances anyway too, just because like the bottles are so unique. Like, who would have thought to make a fragrance bottle that looks like a Citadel Hill? Like, really? So, how would I describe this scent? I would say her fragrances they're all very like sweet and fruity and florally scent. If that's a word, florally. I know floral is a word, but florally I think I just made up. But her scents are very like sweet and girly girl, which is why like I love pretty much almost all the Carolina Herrera fragrances. So that's the only way I know how to describe. I'm not really good at telling the notes, but if somebody asked me what this smelled like, I would say it's like kind of like sweet and florally. So in love with the first one. Now this one I don't think I'm gonna like. This is the Clinique Happy. I've smelled this before and I don't think it's really my cup of tea. This is giving me This is giving me, no offense to the grandmas out here, because I know maybe grandmas watch my channel. I don't know. Nothing against the grandmas, but it's giving me like grandma scent vibes. Like I feel like an older person is like very, very mature of a scent. It's not, I think of like young fragrances. It's like fruity and citrus and flirty and alive, and like Clinique Happy, not so much. But if you like Clinique Happy, no shade, no tea, good for you. But I'm just saying that's my opinion. My opinion only. Don't come for your girl. Don't come for me. It's a friendly channel over here. But just for me, it's not my cup of tea. So this will be a cute stocking stuffer for somebody. Maybe I'll add it to the boxes of stuff that I have that I'm going to be giving away in giveaways. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do, so somebody else can have it, because your girl don't want this. So that's the only bad thing when you do these as well. Obviously, you're not going to like every single scent that you get. I do like that this is a spray. I don't like when they're in like the things that you got to pour, because then too much comes out. I like to use a spray, so I wish all the minis were a spray, but beggars can't be choosers. The next thing I got is from Ariana Grande. I don't have any of her fragrances, but I got a mini in one of like my minis collections that I've bought. But let's see if this is, I think this is another pour bottle. Yeah, another pour one. Let's see how this smells. It smells kind of powdery to me, in my opinion. It's cute. I'm here for it. I definitely would wear this, and I'm loving the bottle. The bottle looks like a heart, like a broken heart, and it has an XO on the top. So I am here for the bottle. She cute. She cute. The next bottle I got is from the Victor. I can never say the whole name, but the Flower Bomb, one of their scents. I forgot what the name of this is called. The Victor and Rolf Bon Eau de Parfum. That's what this is called. And this one was the Thank You Next perfume. Okay. So, let's see here. This is the Eau de Parfum. Oh, they do tell you what the scent smell like on the box, which is kind of cool. So, it's funny because they say that Clinique Happy is a citrus scent and a wealth of flowers, but I do not get that from this. I think it's because it says it has bergamot in here, and I don't like any like woodsy bergamot smells. I like more like girly scents. But let's see what this one is all about. See, I just opened it and some of it's spilled out. This is why I don't like these type of bottles. But the packaging is so stinking cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's like a little bow, guys. So these, I think I'm going to save these for like when I travel and I don't have to bring like the whole bottle. It says this is it says it's like a sweet, creamy woods that create a delightful, self-indulged experience. So I like sweet. It says it has like flowers in it, caramelized fruits, which is all like what I like. So far, I'm here for these three. So far, I'm here for these three fragrances. Not so much the Clinique Happy, but I'm gonna try. You know what? Let me spray it, guys. Let me spray it and see. Maybe I'll keep it. Let's see here. Let me give it another chance. Yeah, no, I don't know if I'm here for it. I tried, guys. I tried, but I don't know if I'm here for it. I don't think I'm here for it. So you're supposed to get 8 fragrances, guys. So I just showed you 4, and I got 4 more to go. Alright, guys. So we got a mini Dolce & Gabbana light blue eau de toilette. I will say, I've been wearing a Dolce & Gabbana light blue for years. Like, this is like one of my, like, when I was like, my first fragrances I've ever had was Prada Candy. Also, I want to say like the Pink Sugar, and then I think maybe Dolce & Gabbana light blue, and then like Ralph Lauren. Those are like my 4 first that I still, to this day, I still wear like all of those scents, even the Pink Sugar. But that just goes to show you like what type of scents that I like. Now, Dolce & Gabbana, I would say, is very light. It's very airy. It's very clean. It's very fresh. Whenever I wear this, I get a lot of compliments from people. They love this on me. And I'm here for people enjoying the lovely scents of me. So I always will continue to buy this. Let's see how they describe it. They describe this scent as a fresh green apple. It has jasmine and white rose, and it says it's like a nice summer scent. But I mean, I wear this year round. Year round, love this scent. One of my favorites, absolute favorites. Ooh, look what I got. I love, this is Yves Saint Laurent Mon Paris, the Eau de Parfum fragrance. I love the Mon Paris fragrance. So I like the one that says Couture on it, which I like that one a little bit better. It's a little bit more sweeter, but I still like the theme of the scent. So it says that this is a, let's see, let's give you some notes in here. It says sweet notes of red berries and softened by a heart of the datura flower. It says it also has a white musk in it. Which is why I don't love this one as much. I like the bottle that says, when you buy the bottle, on the box it says Couture. I don't believe that's this one. I think maybe the Eau de Toilette one is a Couture one. Because there's 3 different bottles you can get. And I like that one in particular. But I still would wear this one, but it's just a little bit more lightly musky. And like I said, I don't like anything that smells musky. I don't like anything to me that smells kind of manly. On me. On a guy, I love like that whole manly scent, but like as a female, for me, in my opinion, I want it to smell girly. And my definition of girly, when I think of girly, is like fruity, citrusy. Like I said, my opinion only. Don't come for me. That's just my opinion of what I think. Okay? Whatever you think is as a girly scent, I'm sure you could think of, but that's just mine. Just saying. Alrighty, so let's continue. I got a Marc Jacobs fragrance. This is the Marc Jacobs Perfect. Oh, so it's just called Perfect? Yeah, Perfect. I was waiting for something else, but it's just Perfect. It says this is a comforting floral scent. Self-love and originality. Perfect is nothing you would accept and everything it needs to be. Alright, so let's see what it smells like. I love Marc Jacobs bottles. Like, their bottles are so stinking cute, guys. I'm here for the bowl. I wish it was pink because you guys know I love pink. I'm smelling the Clinique Happy to see if it's growing on me. It is not growing on me, guys. It's not, yeah, I'm not here for it. But let's see if I could smell anything else after just smelling that. But let's see. I'm here for the Marc Jacobs. The Marc Jacobs are sweet. They're not like musky, strong, like, when I think of musky strong, I think of like Tom Ford. Like, I think of like those scents. They just don't. Chanel No. 5, Coco, Mademoiselle. Like those musky, woodsy. Then I'm not here for it. I'm not here for it. But fruity, citrusy, your girl's here for it. I also got a Coach Dreams. I think I got this once upon a time in Gratis. Once upon a time. I'm not sure when, but I definitely do have this bottle. I'm here for the bottle. This is a cute little bottle here. Let's see what this smells like. It says it's Coach Dream evokes from the freedom and adventure of road across America. That's not really telling me what it smells like, so I have no idea. So we're just going to smell it together on camera. Let's see. So it's like a pour bottle. Oh, it smells sweet. I'm here for it. It smells like a citrusy sweet. So overall for me, this was worth it because I loved every single fragrance except for that Clinique Happy. I'm trying to have it grow on me, but I don't know if I'm here for it. But look at these, guys. I'm so excited to add these to my mini collection. I should do like a minis collection and show you guys because I got so much minis since I last did my fragrance collection. But it says it was a $160 value. Now, looking at it, to me, I don't feel like this was a $160 value. I would give this maybe, what did they say this was, a $60 value? No, I paid $40 for it. I would give it, this was a $40 value. Like, it was worth the $40. It's definitely worth $40. Now, the whole price that they said, $160, that's absolutely not. I'm sorry, absolutely not. Sorry, not sorry. Oops, the box dropped again. What did you guys think about this? Like, I love, this is a great way, like, if you want to get somebody a fragrance, but you don't know what they like, it's a good way for them to try it, and then they can eventually, like, buy the big bottle. And then also sometimes, too, when you have, like, these, you spray them a couple of times, sometimes the scent grows on you. So, but I loved all of these that I got, so I'm super excited to hold on to these, and like I said, I use these more for when I travel, because I don't, like I said, I use Dolce Gabbana light blue, but I would never bring my whole big bottle on vacation in case it breaks. I like to bring the small ones. I mean, they're a little annoying when you got to do all of that, and you know, sometimes they waste, but I do like, I'm here for it for the traveling purposes. So super excited for this set. I definitely think I got my money's worth. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of what I got. You think it was worth it? Do you guys wear any of these scents? What do you think about the scents? Let your girl know. I'm nosy. I want to know. Let your girl know. Now, before you guys go, you guys know what I'm going to say already. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe to your girl's channel. Show your girl some love. I appreciate the support, everybody who's been watching your girl's channel and liking and commenting. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I always say I do this for you guys because at the end of the day, I love makeup, but I love my subscribers who love it too, and we can enjoy the passion for makeup and beauty together. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.